Hey coders, have you forget your logics? So use the comments in your programming language. The comments are a notes for the humans and that are completely ignored by the computer system. In the Python programming, we have two types of comments, single line comments and the multi-line comments. Single line comments are always represented by the head symbol. This is the example. This is the comment section. It is written in a hash, which is ignored by the computer system. The next is the multi-line or a docstring. Multi-line comments are represented by the three double quotes, and we use the two line here, and both lines are written by using the three triple quotes and the opening triple quotes and the closing triple quotes. And some editors like VS Code and the PyCharm can highlight the multiple lines and press using control and the forward slash to comment. So for more updates, join us Dr. Codecraft and subscribe.